I don't know. I think it's just, this life is for the birds.
I gotta figure out how to get both our heads in there.
I found it.
Hey, good afternoon. So we are here in Tarpon Springs, which is about an hour north of Madeira Beach. We have another open house going on today, so we thought we'd get out and have a little adventure and bring you guys along with us. This is actually the sponge capital of the world, and it's the sponge capital of the world because this region supplies about 70% of the world's natural sea sponge market. So there should be lots of fun stuff to see here today, and we'll bring you around with us. What do you got to say, Jeff? Anything?
Well, we've been here once before, but I had to play chauffeur for most of the time, and so was more focused on making sure everybody else got where they need to go and had a good time. So I'm looking forward to really soaking up everything that Tarpon Springs has to offer.
Soaking up.
Yes.
Ba-dum-bum.
Wow. Okay, we'll see you in a little bit. I don't know. I mean, I gotta tell you, they think I'm crazy, but I don't know. I think it's just, this life is for the birds, you know? What do you think? I agree. Okay. What? Wine at the dock?
So this is where we think the boats come once they're done sponging. Well, way down there. You think get gas there. But it's Sunday, so Jeff thinks they're not sponging today.
That's my opinion. I think it's a pretty slow day. That and the fact that all the sponge boats are tied up at the dock, so the chances of them coming in are pretty low, not impossible. But what we did find is what looks to be a 300 metric ton boat lift at Tarpon Marine Services, and if you look real close, peeking out from behind the blue shed, that looks like a Marlowe 58 command bridge. So my guess is they could haul a Marlowe 70 for a bottom job here. We're going to make some calls tomorrow, and that's all I know.
So this is basically like just a giant mall, outdoor, indoor mall. Reminds me if they would have taken like the Alamo and then put a bunch of shops inside it.
Minus the basement, of course.
Minus the basement.
No bicycles here.
Jeff is looking for a place for us to have lunch because I'm busy holding the camera, so I gave him the task of figuring out where we're gonna eat. Did you figure out what we're doing?
I found it.
Where are we going?
I mean, if you're gonna have readers, you gotta use them for something. Okay, I found it. We're gonna go about 1 minute toward the water, and apparently the best gyros in Tarpon Springs, although I think it may be the best gyros, depends where you're from. But we're gonna go eat some meat wrapped up in bread. This way.
So Jeff basically picked out like a little drive-up lunch window. The Limani. Looks pretty good, but I think we want to eat inside, so we're going somewhere else.
I think so. I don't think we want to have lunch in direct sunlight, although some of my best meals have been had at drive-ins or next door to upholstery or transmission shops. But I think we're going to find a place to sit down.
We might try them another time. Thank you. Thank you. Where'd we come to eat? We're at Niko's Grill House.
Do what?
I said we're at Niko's Grill House. Jeff doesn't know I'm filming him.
Sorry. How come I'm the only one in the camera? I feel like I'm being interrogated.
What are you ordering?
Well, lamb and beef gyro.
I'm getting the souvlaki, chicken souvlaki. Google says it's a staple of Greek street food.
I'm going to stick with the gyro.
Great.
So,
Wow.
I know. This is Mythos. Kind of tastes like a Heineken, from what I remember a Heineken tasting like, although I haven't had a Heineken in about 10 years. So, let's go get a Heineken later, and we'll remember. As much as I can remember what every wine on the planet tastes like, I haven't been in the beer as much recently, so I can tell you if it's a Guinness or if it's a lager. But we're going to find out later.
Lunch is over. It was very good food, very authentic. I gotta figure out how to get both our heads in there. Very
I'm
good
gonna have
food.
about a foot taken out of my legs, apparently. But good
I just
food.
gotta grow taller.
Pretty sure the owner came in with their entire family and got in front of us in line. But
They got a little priority for service, but they took, there's room for improvement on the service, but the food was really good, so I feel like, and the prices were really good, so I feel like it was a win, but it was very good. Jeff
I concur.
Okay, he concurs.
You didn't want to record me going. Like, why would you act like a Wookiee?
All right, I think that wraps up Tarpon Springs. It was a lot of sponges, and then more sponges, a lot of little shops. What was your experience?
And sponges.
And Greek food, sponges and Greek food. So fun. We didn't do any of the little tours. I think they do tours that you can go out and see the water and the beaches, but we've gone to some of those beaches. And I don't know when they do the sponging. I don't know if you have to schedule that, but we didn't see it here today, but we saw the boats parked. So I guess that's all there is to do on a Sunday. Sponges and dots and food.
Yes.
See you next time.